Copper CRM Business Automation Tool Review, Usage Experience. Links to Copper CRM are in the description below. In this video, we're reviewing Copper CRM, a business automation tool specifically designed for organizations looking to streamline their customer relationship management directly within Google Workspace. Built for businesses of all sizes, Copper CRM integrates deeply with Google's suite of tools, making it ideal for companies already using Google's ecosystem. One of Copper CRM's standout features is its seamless integration with Google Workspace. It automatically syncs with Gmail, Google Calendar, Google Drive, and more, ensuring all communication, meetings, and documents are stored and easily accessible within the CRM. This eliminates the need to manually update records and offers real-time access to your team's activities and interactions, improving efficiency and collaboration. Copper also excels in its automated workflows. With its intuitive drag-and-drop interface, users can easily set up automated processes to handle repetitive tasks like lead assignment, follow-ups, and task reminders. This frees up your sales and support teams to focus on higher-value activities, enhancing productivity across your organization. The automation extends to pipeline management, where it helps prioritize leads and opportunities based on customizable criteria, ensuring you don't miss out on key prospects. The CRM also offers advanced reporting and analytics tools. You can track key metrics, visualize your pipeline, and measure the effectiveness of your sales processes. The insights provided can help refine your sales strategies, making it easier to scale your operations and improve decision-making. Copper is ideal for teams that rely heavily on Google Workspace and are looking for a CRM that can help automate and manage their workflows efficiently. Whether you're a small business or a large enterprise, Copper provides the tools to optimize your sales, marketing, and customer service efforts. For more details about Copper CRM, check out the link in the description. It's a powerful solution for businesses seeking to enhance their CRM automation.